Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Designers. In this tutorial, we are going to learn CATIA V5 Part Modeling by creating a flanged housing using proper engineering drawing. This video is suitable for beginners and intermediate learners. I will explain each step slowly and clearly so you can easily follow along. Before starting, please open the CATIA V5 and make sure you are in the Part Design Workbench. Now first we will understand the engineering drawing. Here you can see the top view, section view and the isometric view. All dimensions are given in millimeters. These drawings follow first angle projection. In this part, the component is axis-symmetric. So instead of starting from the top view, we will start from the section view. We will create an offset section sketch and then revolve it using shaft command. This method gives better accuracy, clean geometry, easy control of internal and external shapes. Define the sketch. Select YZ plane. Select position sketch. OK. Select profile command. Create closed sketch as per the section AA. Now constrain the sketch. Select constraint command. Select this vertical length. This is 4 mm. Select this horizontal and this horizontal. This length is 4.5 mm. Select this vertical line and this inclined line. Angle is 30 degree. Select this vertical line, axis, select this vertical line and center axis. This is 100 mm. Select vertical line. This length is 11 mm. Select top horizontal line and horizontal axis. This length is 39 mm. Select this horizontal line and horizontal axis. This length is 30 mm. Select this horizontal line and axis line. This length is 23 mm. Select this vertical line and vertical axis. This length is 104 by 2. Select this one. Select axis. This is 85 by 2. Select this vertical and vertical axis. This is 84 by 2. Select this vertical line and vertical axis. This length is 72 by 2. Now change this value 25 mm. Select sketch solver. It is a ISO constraint. Now exit Workbench. Define the part body. Select sketch 1, select shaft command. The axis selection, right click and select Z axis. Review and OK. Define the sketch. Select this top face. Select position sketch. Reverse horizontal, reverse vertical. OK. Select elongated hole. Create one elongated hole with coincidence to the vertical axis. This length is 8 mm. Select this bottom point and this center point. This vertical distance is 80 mm. Select this outer edge and select project 3D element. Now select quick trim option. Trim these unwanted lines. Select constraint command. Select this point and this arc. Right click, coincidence. Select this point and this arc. Right click and coincidence. Same, select axis point and arc. Right click and coincidence. Now select this right side vertical line and this vertical line. Right click. Select parallelism. Select sketch solver. It is ISO. Exit Workbench. Define the part body. Select sketch 2. Select pocket command. The first limit type. Select up to next. Review and OK. Define part body. Select pocket 1. Select circular pattern. Select circular face. 4 instances. 90-degree angle. Reference element is select circular face. OK. Define the sketch. Select this top surface. Position sketch. Reverse horizontal, reverse vertical. OK. Again select elongated hole. Create inclined elongated hole which is coincides to the origin point. This length is 14 mm. Select this edge and select project 3D element. Now select quick trim option. Trim these unwanted lines. In the same quick trim option, select the arrow, select trim command, select this line and this arc, this line and this arc. Select constraint command, select this both lines, right click, select parallelism. Select this axis point and this arc, right click, coincidence, select origin point and axis top point. This diagonal distance is 65 mm. Select axis line and this horizontal axis 45°. Exit Workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 3. Select pad command. This height is 35 minus 11. Define part body and select hole command. Select this face. Position sketch. Select constraint command. Select point and this arc. Right click, concentricity. Exit Workbench. This hole diameter is 12 mm. Change blind to up to last. OK. Define the part body. Select pad 1 and hole 1. Select circular pattern. Yes. Instances are for 90°. Reference element. Select circular face and OK. Define sketch. Select this right side plane, means ZX plane. Position sketch. OK. Select rectangle command. Create rectangle. Select this left side vertical line and center axis. This distance is 7 mm. Again select vertical line. This vertical height is 6 mm. Select horizontal line. Horizontal distance is 16 mm. Select horizontal axis and horizontal bottom line. This length is 12 mm. Exit Workbench. And part body. Select sketch 12. Select pocket command. Select dimensions. Mirror extend. Increase the depth value to cross this circular face. OK. Now define the part body. Select pocket 2. Select mirror command. Yes. Select this YZ plane and OK. In this tutorial, we learned how to read an engineer drawing, how to create sketches, how to use pad, pocket, shaft, hole, circular pattern and mirror. You can download the CATIA file and drawing from the GrabCAD link given in the description. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the Product Designers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.